Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've got a couple of questions from users that purchased TV shows and movies from the Microsoft Store and from what is the Movies and TV app. And of course, this is something that is a question for those that have content because Microsoft has stopped selling content. So if you remember, we used to have that movies and TV app that was changed for some markets to film and TV. And then you could have purchased stuff. And they're still going to show up, by the way, if you still have the app and you have the and have purchased content. The Microsoft Store also had a section where you could buy movies and TV shows, which also has been now removed so that you can't do this anymore. If you have content that you have purchased through this, Microsoft does say that there will be no refunds, but the content will continue working as long as you have it. So as long as you have that content that you purchased, it's still going to run. You're still going to be able to see your TV shows and movies. The question where it might be a little more complicated is what if you have a new PC? I would guess that that content will be available as soon as you connect to your Microsoft account with the store and all of that. But Microsoft does say that from what they mentioned, it will be available always. So you have no worries to lose the content. This is the sad part of getting content online. I stopped buying content through some of these services for a very, very simple reason, is that as I move on with other types of technologies, for example, I used to have Apple TV and all of that, and noticed that it was a big mistake to actually purchase a movie from a service like that, because if you move on and you're not, say for example, I don't have an Apple TV box anymore, I don't have a MacBook. Well, you can still get the Apple TV content through your Windows PC, but it's just not the same. And then you realize that it's kind of a bad idea to purchase content from all of these things. And as you move on and evolve with technology, you get to a point where it's like, yeah, okay, I shouldn't have done that. So anyways, if you didn't know, there's no more movie shows, TV shows, and movies available for purchase. Microsoft is getting out of that. And if you had purchased things in the past, it will still be available for you to watch anytime. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.